This product is the Honeywell Flex4 gas monitor. It's a popular gas monitor often used for confined space entry work. We're going to unbox the unit and see what's inside. So when we open it up, you'll see the gas monitor there. Now this unit, you can see it has 4 sensor openings on the bottom there. So it measures up to 4 different gases simultaneously. It's typically supplied as a confined space unit to measure oxygen, combustible gases, hydrogen sulfide and carbon monoxide. The gas detector has amazing battery runtime, lasting up to 2 months on a single 4.5 hour charge. The battery is replaceable. One of the key features of the product is it has Bluetooth capability. So I can be remotely monitoring the 4 gases on the unit from potentially outside a confined space while somebody's wearing this inside a confined space. So yeah, it's particularly safe. You can see exactly what's going on with your colleague that's down in that confined space. That app that is on your mobile phone, connected using Bluetooth, that can also be used to bump test and calibrate and see and change a range of user settings on the gas monitor. The other items that are in the box are contained underneath that section there. There's what we call a test cap. So that test cap is used to bump test the gas monitor. So bump testing is simply the process of exposing the gas monitor to a known concentration of gas, checking that it accurately detects those gases. That gives you confidence that the gas detector is working properly prior to entering a confined space or beginning using the gas monitor. Other items that are in the box are the charger. So it has a rechargeable battery. That's the charger. The charger goes on the back of the gas monitor like that, and that's a standard USB charger. It also contains this connection for the click connect fitting. So you might have like a belt or a harness that has the other part of that fitting on. So instead of having that bulldog clip on the back, it might sort of clip onto a belt or a chest harness, for example. The other items that are in the box, that's just the factory calibration test certificate, and there's a user guide there, like so. So that's one way of purchasing the gas monitor. Another way is in a kit like this. So this is the SafetyQuip Confined Space gas detector kit. A gas monitor like this should be bump tested. So in order to bump test a gas detector, you need a couple of other things. So they're contained in this kit. So this is a good way of purchasing it if you don't already have the cylinder of bump test gas. So that contains the 4 gases, one for each of those 4 sensors on the unit, in order to bump test it properly. This confined space kit contains the regulator that goes on the top of the cylinder of gas to dispense the gas from the cylinder. It's a trigger style. You'll see the gas monitor itself and the charger and the test cap, they're the same as what comes in the box for the gas detector. The other item that this kit has is, this is a length of tubing with a filter on the end and a manual aspirator pump. So the idea is that this is used for confined space entry to test the atmosphere in a confined space prior to entry. So you would put that end of the tube down into the confined space. This end would be connected to the test cap on the front of the gas detector, and the squeeze bulb here draws the air up through the tube and into the gas detector. So you can safely measure the gas, check those gas levels are safe before entering the confined space. Once you've checked the atmosphere, you would remove that and you would clip the gas detector to your chest, and you'd wear it close to your breathing zone, so within 30 or 40 centimetres of the nose and the mouth whilst you're in that confined space. That's the Honeywell Flex4 gas monitor, available from SafetyQuip. Speak with the crew at your local SafetyQuip store for further information.